filming from my house, back-to-back-to-back videos, which we think FabFitFun will go up first. And man, that was an interesting experience. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
For those of you who are gonna catch that first. Oh gosh, everything's on top, like all the black.
Yeah, but
you can just powder that on mine.
Yeah, I appreciate them doing it this way instead of all little tiny pieces. So thank you, BeautyFix, for that. Okay, so I'll just start pulling things out.
Is this one that emails you this stuff about it?
Oh, and I guess you can open this. So the thing with this is they had emailed me that they left out a product, but it was before I even got the box, and then I can't remember if this came before I got the box or what, but I think that's supposed to be the product that's missing from here. Anyway, okay, so I have Holy Frog Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. I'm having a hard time saying this stuff. Seems like it'd be almost full size or something. It's pretty big. And then I have, did you get anything? No?
I mean, maybe it's like tucked underneath the...
We're having such a weird night, y'all.
Oh, goodness. I mean, could it have, like, fallen through? Like, you know what I mean? Like, well, it was taped, though.
Apparently.
It's all, like, empty, guys. I was like,
so now I gotta call...
I mean, I don't get... Surprise! Nothing.
I have to call them, too. Okay, anyway. This is Babor, or hopefully I'm saying that right. Lift and Firm Ampule. Am I saying that right? Concentrates. Collagen Concentrate. So that's a good item. And then...
It's good we film because this is always our evidence for the company if they don't believe that they,
and then Vichy, if I'm saying it right, Laboratories Lift Active Peptide C. I'm nearsighted, so like looking through the glasses, I have to like look under them, like, and then Briogeo. Hopefully I said that right. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and then I'm gonna have to call them. And then Rin Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. I feel like I have this already somewhere, but that's okay. And then Sachawan, is that how you say it? Hair repair mask.
I was like, no idea.
There's a couple, like, is it 2 hair repair things or 3 hair repair things I got? Just 2, right?
So like, could there be any more?
2.
Is that it?
Yeah. So the thing that's missing.
I know, because
BeautyFix. I think. I mean, that's weird.
Just an empty box.
It was supposed to be that one brand, and it was like a serum. I want to say Verso or something. Like the little tiny thing. I already have some of those like on my counter.
I know. I thought it was gonna be like little. Like I literally thought like, oh, maybe it's hiding in like. I don't know how it could be hiding in that. Like I thought maybe, but there's no. It would have to be like I thought it was maybe like an eyeliner because I was like, how do you not have anything? So it's been a really weird day for opening boxes, but if this video was fast enough for you or informative, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we're doing here shortly, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.